For Cobra pose, you also want to avoid this if you are pregnant. We're going to go ahead and come on down to our mats and come into our bellies. Going to relax our feet. Make sure our feet are about hip width apart. We're going to take our hands, spread our fingers. We want to line up the elbow to the shoulder, so have the elbow below the shoulder. So here we are. This is baby cobra. So baby cobra, our forearms are on the mat. We're going to breathe here in and out, holding this for 3 to 5 breaths. To go into full cobra, we're actually going to push up and extend our arms. So this is a full back bend here. Make sure you release the glutes when you get into the full pose. You're going to hold this for 3 to 5 breaths. Keep breathing and slowly come down. When you come out of a back bend, it's very important to do a counter pose. So one counter pose for Cobra or baby cobra is child's pose, knees together. This is causing the spine to curve the opposite direction. Another great counter pose is knees to chest. So you can turn over, lay down, and bring knees to chest. You want to hold your counter pose for at least the same amount of time that you did the opposite pose. So if you were in Cobra for 3 breaths, 3 full breaths, you want to make sure you do a counter pose, either child's pose or knees to chest, for a full 3 breaths. Go longer if you feel that you need a little more time for the spine to relax, okay? As always, in yoga, make sure that you are listening to your body. Be in tune to what your body is saying. If your body is saying, that's enough, then stop. Slow down. If your body is saying, let's go, then go ahead and go a little bit more. But always being very careful on how much you push yourself. You know, start slow and slowly, gradually add more to your practice. Cobra pose stretches the chest and abdominal muscles. It strengthens the back. It improves posture. It improves our spine flexibility and alignment, decreases back pain, and improves digestion. It also helps regulate adrenal and thyroid glands and decreases stress. Thank you so much for joining me for this pose breakdown, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.